Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the Kleb. What are you riding?
I'm riding a dirt bike.
All right. Well, anyway, we're here for the second annual Voss River Run.
2018.
2018, man. So Honda hooked us up with these bikes. We got this Africa Twin, which I'm going to be riding, and then we got this Gold Wing, and we got the CB650, which girl on her bike's riding, and the CRF. Bro, Klebby. This bike's way too big for me. I'm a little nervous.
Looking good. We're at Honda Canada. They hooked us up with
automatic African Twin.
Yeah.
Africa Twin. It's cool. ABS? We don't want ABS. Turn that shit on. I don't know what I'm doing. Better get on your bike, son. So many electronics on bikes these days. If somebody learned how to ride on this thing and then hopped on my GSX-R or on my Triumph, they're dead meat. For sure. Kilometers. I keep looking at the speedometer and going, damn, dude, I'm going so fast. It's kilometers. I need a Red Bull. Yeah, Canada. Eh? I'm going to take good care of her, Honda. The guy that's responsible for hooking us up, he gave us like real strict guidelines on these bikes. He's like, all right guys, this is what I expect from you. He looks at us and says, have fun. I really appreciate that. You don't hear that very often. Oh man, I want a lane split so badly. Big no-no, don't do it. I don't know what river this is, but it's cool. Cool bridge. Oh, won't let me wheelie. What's up? What's up? Wheelie control. Come on. Whatever. Maybe it's best that way anyway.
Yo, are you going to be recording this or no?
Yeah.
I'm not going to do it.
I don't think I'm going to make a video, but I'll be recording anyway. You never know if something happens.
Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit later on the day from the last time we saw each other, you and I, this is behind the scenes of a Voss catalog photo video shoot. Yeah, everybody else is behind me, slug bug pal. We're just gonna do some photos and stuff. Where'd the Mustang go? I don't see it. Where do you want me? Here? Here? Like, what goes through this dude's mind? Seriously. He's kind of like this all the time. He goes, look at this. Is it touchscreen? Is it? It's not. That'd be pretty awesome if it was. Now I'm on the 1290 KTM. Kind of a big leap from the Africa Twin 1000. Well, this is my boss's bike. Hopefully I don't drop it. I'm sure I won't, but it's a big boy, man. No way. So the plan is we're going to take some photos, some video, I think. We're going to downtown Vancouver, I'm assuming. I'm not real sure, but whatever. We're going. We're doing it. Oh, won't let you wheelie, man. Son of a bitch. I'll tell you what, right off the bat, this thing's way different than the Africa Twin. I'm not going to say it's better or not. You can tell it's way faster. Whoa. Like, wants to tear your arms off fast. Watch how fast this thing is. Watch this. Did you feel the G's? Did you feel them? I felt them. All right, what are we doing? Who's gonna use the hardest core clickbait? place is bizarre. You guys remember Devin? Hi, Devin.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Remember? You're the only Canadian that ever rode my Triumph that didn't crash it.
That's true.
Where are we at?
East Van.
East Vancouver.
Sorry, man.
That's all right, man. I get it. I can feel the sweat dripping down my back, dude. All right.
Like, you're good for a while. You gotta go to the other bike.
Okay, no time change at all.
Jesus, I'm not ready.
You ready? No, I'm not ready. There's stuff here.
You didn't take it? No, I wasn't ready.
I didn't see the yellow light, dude, but I was getting tired, man.
Sorry. You need to get that. You need to get that.
Hey, let me pick that one. Oh, what the f, dude? What's the document you got?
Behind him?
Dana's behind the possessed doll, actually in front of him. There's a fucking guy hanging up there.
Oh,
God.
Oh.
Oh, God.
It's still gonna break.
Oh, dude. It's
Okay.
probably gonna go down.
Oh my god.
he's like,
Oh, there goes your light.
all right, photo shoot over. So this is where we've been living for the last few days. Oh, it smells bad in here. Swipe up. Anyway, so now we're gonna do some dinner. Been riding dirt bikes all day long. I'm getting, the dog's getting yelled at. We're sharing a seat.
But don't even try to come this way. Nope.
Tonight we feast.
Yes. Peace.
All right, buddy. Time to go.
What if something happens, even though
What happened, dude? You ruined the toilet. You broke it. Everybody's running.
We got a fixture over here. Fix
I
that
stepped
toilet.
in it too, man. So I put on my shitty shoes because I don't want to
644 Honda ball and
6 for a Land Rover, buddy.
so we're gonna hit this place called Canadian Tire, which I thought was where you bought tires.
You can buy tires, but it's not like specific tires.
I literally thought that you only had one place that you could buy tires from, and it was Canadian Tire. Apparently, that is not the case.
What?
What?
Cactus Club.
We got Cactus Club across the street. That's like the best shit
like
ever.
fucking 15, 20 minutes away.
You guys will see that because we made a video there. 6 Foot's our Canadian tour guide, and
The low budget
he
tour.
doesn't know what to do. He's like, I don't know where to take you guys, so we'll take you to Canadian Tire.
Have fun.
It's like a national exhibit. So these are crooks. You're not allowed in Canadian Tire, right? None of you. Fucking thieves.
Yeah, that kind of looks
Not
like me, dude.
welcome. You'd think tires would be the first thing you saw when you walked through the door. Canadian Tire is like an American Walmart, I think. We're in the auto
No
section.
way, American Walmart, bro.
We found a tire. You proved me wrong. This video's stupid.
Catalog, okay?
This video's stupid. What are we doing? Dang, dude, you got skills. Tires. You'd think it'd be a warehouse full of tires, and I think I saw 10. I saw more f***ing crock pots than tires. So f***ing rare.
And it's about to get wrecked by that Prius. Goodbye.
6'4" Honda yells at people and says, "Put your phone down." So what are you making?
Cake pops.
Cake balls.
Cake.
Can I have one?
No.
Let me get one.
I told you don't.
Swipe up to eat one.
This is like the part where you film me eating, remember?
Yeah, there it is. It's so good. Wait, will you be back?
2 seconds.
Today's the day of the ride. Meet and greet. It's gonna be the longest day that I've ever had
For you guys, yeah, I'm kind of
in
chilling.
a long time. There you go. Swipe up. This is what we wake up to every day, right?
Official boss bacon.
Right? But first, you know, we wake up and we go into the pool. Breakfast is done. We're all up and ready. I don't know about ready, but we're up. What are we doing? Going to the Voss headquarters?
Going to Taco Bell.
That's the coolest bike in this garage, man. I'd rip that thing all week, dude.
Hello.
Hi. Music, man. Get some classics. Look at that. Sunshine I You Love. What do you know about Cream, Gina?
Cream? I know there's a song by, it's called like 112 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only thing I know.
So it goes from Cream to Against All Authority. Today is going to be an Against All Authority kind of day.
Never heard of them.
We got the Kleb, we got 6'4" Honda, we got Girl on Her Bike and Brian, we got Vroom Vroom Dana and Noel, and we're going on a ride. It's going to be so fun, I hope. Hopefully everybody's safe and stuff, I don't know. Oh shit, here we go.
Sophie, do you have anything to say?
Sure. Hi guys. Thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it, man. We love being here. I got a bunch of free stickers. I know I met a lot of you guys already, but I've been kind of running around. If you guys didn't get a sticker, I'd love to give you one and say hello to you. And thank you all for coming out and watching our videos. We're here for you.
Stick it on over.
There you go. Hey, thanks for coming out, man. Appreciate it. Have a sticker, brother. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Good.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Right on.
Nice to meet you, man.
Sorry, man. I haven't found my rhythm yet.
No worries.
Have a sticker. What's up, man? How are you? How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Have a sticker.
I will.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good.
What's up, man? How are you?
Pretty good.
Right on. Have a sticker. And how are you?
On your channel.
I appreciate that. I put a lot of effort into it, man. How are you doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm wonderful. Thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
Stoked to meet you.
Oh, man. I'm stoked to meet all of you. I'm stoked to be here. How are you?
You guys saw it at the Vancouver show.
Thanks for coming out again. Nice to meet you, man. Nice jacket. I saw it, man. Moto Geo.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I love that guy.
I love that guy.
Yeah, man. What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Yesterday we were riding around, dude. I know this is the same bike. What's up, man? How are you?
I haven't seen you since
There we go.
so, see, that's you right there.
What's up, brother? How are you? How are you, sir?
What's up, man?
My man.
You're one of the motor vloggers that inspired me, and I started my own channel.
What's your channel name? We'll plug it.
It's called Canadian Camote Rider.
How you doing?
Gabe.
Good. Nice to meet you. How are you, sir?
Good. Good.
Right on.
Like Canada so far.
That's humid.
Oh my god.
Oh. How are you?
Good.
Right on. What is this?
You're Super Delinquent.
Yes, sir.
I'm Phil. This is son Mike.
Phil. Hi, Michael. Nice to meet you. Where'd you guys come out from?
Langley.
Langley. Where's that?
Sup, dude?
Did you learn how to say it in French?
Yeah, bonjour. I'm from Canada.
Oh, bonjour. What's up, man? Love the shirt.
Yeah, thanks, man.
My man. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well.
Right on. Would you guys like stickers?
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
Helmet.
Holy shit, look at that. Very cool. Thank you so much for the support. Helps out so much. Want some stickers?
Sure.
You give me a sticker. It's okay if I put it on my tool cabinet.
Anywhere you want, buddy.
Right?
They're yours. Nice to meet you, man. Take care.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, so far everyone I've taken a photo with so far has been taller than me. I think Canadians are taller than Americans. What's up, man? How are you?
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Photo? Sure. Nice to meet you.
Thanks, guys.
Finally, someone I'm taller than, huh?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Take care.
So is Baker actually a baker? What the hell does he do for a living?
Oh, look at that.
Nate.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, man.
Awesome.
I love your channel, by the way, man.
Dude, that means a lot to me, man. What's up, man?
What are you grab the side with?
Yeah, absolutely.
If I make profit off this, you want to cut $45?
It's worth less money now. Right on. Thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thanks, man. Would you like some stickers? That's a fantastic jacket you got there, sir. What's up, dude? How are you? Jesus, good to see you, buddy. Hi, me. I know that guy. Hi. All right, let's do it. Hey! The bad news is we got lost. The good news is we get to see what's on the other side of the bridge. It's a better value. Sometimes getting lost is a better value. It's my buddy Jazz. He says he's been watching my channel for a long time, and he says he's yet to see me eat any Indian food. So I invited him out to California to go eat some Indian food. Jazz, if you're watching this video, you're still invited. I think what has happened is that we have gotten so lost, we are so off track and behind schedule that we went a different way entirely to try to arrive at Hole Shot around the same time as the other group. Excuse me, sir. Canada likes their speed bumps and roundabouts. Slug bug, pow. It's a pretty good ride, man. I could do this. This is good. Good event so far by Voss. Thanks for having us out here. It means a lot, man. Really appreciate Voss bringing us out here for meet all you guys. Oh, this is a cool little road right here. Not for speeding, of course, for the visual aspect of it. Might be fun for speeding too, actually. All right, I'm gonna race you to the white line. It wouldn't let me do anything. The light started flashing.
Where were you all?
You guys think I know where I'm going and shit.
I know. Where did you guys get split up at? Instantly?
Yeah, instantly.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude? How are you? I am.
Yo,
How are you, man?
show your face, buddy.
I know, man. I'm sorry, dude. Nice to meet you guys. Get out of my way, Gina. There better be McDonald's up here. For the homies. Sure. Nice to meet you, by the way.
Do you mind if I ask you about arson?
What about him?
The motovlogging community needs a little bit of arson right now.
Where's he?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I watch your videos all.
Oh, man, I appreciate that.
Thanks so much for coming out and doing that.
Can't move this signature.
Oh, shit.
We got bushes, we got plenty of reserves.
Yeah, it's like.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. Can I have a picture with you?
Absolutely. Very cool. Did you get a... Cool. Thanks for coming out. What's up, man? How are you?
Good, good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How's the voice? I can hear you over there.
I don't shut up, man. That's my problem.
Yeah, that's
I just talk, man.
I love the videos. That's awesome.
That means a lot. All right, back at Voss headquarters. Guys, I'm going to take my helmet off. So I don't know if I'm going to end it here. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Yeah. Be part of that notification squad. Yeah. Make sure you check out Vroom Vroom Dana, Girl on Her Bike, 6'4" Honda, and the Kleb, wherever the hell he is. And links in the description for the video. Huge shout out for Voss for bringing us out here. Thanks for Honda for giving us these bikes. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. Also, big shout out to all the Patreons. You guys make it worth it. I promise you that. Without you guys, I would not be here. And channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, and again, Voss Helmets for bringing us out here and putting this all together. Love you. Later. Do this. Let's party. Let's eat. Let's hang out.
Beef with you though.
What?
You tried every kind of food except for Indian food. You heard of butter chicken?
Butter chicken? No, but it sounds good.
You're from Cali? You haven't heard of butter chicken? They got brown people there, man.
Vroom vroom. Dana. 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 Dana! I just noticed the only thing I'm using my mirrors for is to see if my GoPro's on. I don't know what my fascination with bridges is. I just realized I have. It's been a while since she's ridden a sport bike, man, that's for sure.